Welcome to the small intestine. The small intestine is the twisted tubes underneath the stomach that play a major role in digestion, both mechanically digesting the food as it is pushed along and chemically digesting by secreting enzymes. The small intestine is also the site of most of the absorption of important nutrients into the body. The two parts of the small intestine that we will be discussing are the jejunum and the ileum. The small intestine as a whole lies in the central and lower part of the abdominal cavity. The jejunum is the middle of the small intestine, and the ileum is at the end of the small intestine that connects the small intestine to the large intestine. The jejunum is about 8 feet long and extends from the duodenum to the ileum. The ileum is about 12 feet long and connects to the large intestine at the ileocecal valve. They are surrounded by the large intestine. The parts of the small intestine are strategically coiled up and tightly packed, and the jejunum walls have many circular folds to gain the maximum surface area possible for absorption inside the small intestine.
The insides of the small intestine are covered in finger-like projections called villi. These villi are covered in even smaller microvilli, which increase the surface area and allow more nutrients to be absorbed. Each villus contains a dense capillary bed and a wide lymph capillary called a lacteal. Digested food is absorbed through epithelial cells of the villi into the capillary blood and the lacteal. From there, the blood carries the absorbed nutrients around the body as needed. Villi also contain a small piece of smooth muscle that shorten and lengthen the villi and make absorption more efficient. The ileum contains small collections of lymphatic tissue in the walls and specific receptors for vitamin B12 and bile salts. It is mainly responsible for absorbing vitamin B12, bile salts, and other remaining nutrients. It then uses mechanical digestion and peristalsis to push remaining food onto the large intestine. Click the pink star to return to the main menu.